I am trying, Dad! The water is too strong!
Reach for it, Henry! You can do it!
You said Michael Tender, and while holding steady! Really, Dad? Are we going to the river?
Isn't I heel?
Are we going to the river? Henry, Milo, Carter, T. Lysander, kitchen.
Really, Dad? Are we going to the
The children need some fresh air today. Of course, Moja can come with us.
Come on, everyone. It is time for our picnic.
Dad, how long until we reach the river? Wow, the river is so beautiful. Lily looks towards the water. Moja, slow down! Wait for us!
Moja is faster than me!
This is a perfect place for our picnic.
Moja, come play with us!
Everyone eat before we start playing again.
Henry, what are you looking at?
This is the best picnic ever!
I am making a map of the river. This is our picnic place, and this is the river. What did you find, Moja? Oh, look! You found a ball! Do you want me to throw it, Moja?
Go get it, Moja!
Moja, come back! The ball is too close to the water!
Wait, Moja! I will get the ball!
Careful, Henry. The ground is slippery.
Henry? I can get it quickly.
Oh! Dad! Help me! Dad! I cannot stop the water! Henry! Henry, stay calm! I am coming! Look at me, Henry! I am trying, Dad! The water is too strong!
Reach for it, Henry! You can do it!
You said Michael Tender, and while holding steady.
I have it, Dad! Please pull me!
Michael, use the blanket.
Henry, grab the blanket and hold tight! And Mike dodged to ring and train Roth to the rescue line. I have you, Henry. You are safe now.
I am sorry, Dad. I should have listened.
You are safe now, Henry. That is what matters.